Hi, second graders. It's Mrs. Hermanstater. I'm going to do a little bit of a phonics review with you. Yesterday, Miss Sylvester worked with you on the long I sound and explained a lot of the different rules that we use for spelling words with the long I sound. So I'm going to do a quick review and then show you the two different activities that you can complete for today. So we know that the long I sound can be spelled either with an I, a Y, or IGH. An example of a word with the long I sound is dime. We know that it has an E on the end, so it makes the long I sound. Dime. If it didn't have the E on the end, it would be a short I sound, and it would be dim. But that E is our clue that it's the long vowel sound. So the word then is dime. Another way that we use the long I, we spell it with a Y sometimes. And that Y can either be at the end of the word or sometimes it's in the middle of the word. So, for example, the word fly, f-l-I. You hear that long I sound at the end of the word, but we spell it with a Y. The same thing with the word sky, sk-I. You hear me saying a long I sound, but when I write it, I'm spelling it with a Y. The next word is type, t-ipe. And again, it's spelled with a Y, but it sounds like the long I. And the last one is IGH. And an example would be the word sigh, s-I. And we hear the long I sound, but we also have the GH with it. And then another word is the word light, light. You do hear a T at the end, but we need the G and the H to go with that I for the long I sound. So now we're going to look at our two activities for today. And the first one is you're going to take the words that are listed at the top. So we have the words cry, height, island, night, python, sky, dry, rhino, and right. And you're going to fill them in the appropriate places. So you're going to take a look at the picture, and I know that this is a picture of an island, and I'm not sure why I'm not seeing it at the top. Oh, I see it. I need my glasses. This is a picture of, oh my goodness, I really, really need my glasses today. What is that, Cal? Oh, cry. There, I see the teardrops. So then it's going to be C-R-Y. And you're going to go ahead through and fill in all of the spots. And remember that these taller boxes are your clue that it's a word that has a taller letter in it. And the same when it drops down, that would be one that has one that kind of goes below the line. Okay, so now we're going to move on to our next activity, and hopefully I will see this page better. And this activity, you're going to do an unscramble. So the directions tell us to unscramble the letters to make a long vowel word that matches the picture. And all of these words have the long I sound in them. So let's take a look at this one. And I can tell in the picture it's a fire hydrant. But I don't see the word fire, I just see the word hydrant. And there's my Y, which makes the long I sound. So then I would write Hydrant, hydrant. Okay, and then go ahead and finish all of those pictures that you need to unscramble. And then at the bottom, you're going to pick two of the words from up here at the top, and you're going to use them in a sentence down below. And don't forget that good second graders, when they're writing, they take the time to use capital letter and a punctuation mark in their sentences. So you're going to use one of these words, or if you want to really challenge yourself, you could use more than one word and write two different sentences in the space down here at the bottom. Okay? Have fun, work hard, and I will see you soon. Bye.